First outing with the Z7, and I'm giving it a few challenging situations. But I'm not sure you're going to be able to hear me.
Before we go any further, viewers are advised, do not try this yourselves. Not only did this ruin my equipment, but it's also very dangerous. Do not try this.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to the car park at Whitehaven Harbour. Yep, we've come down to shoot the lighthouse, hopefully get some big crashing waves. We're supposed to have gusts of up to 50 mile an hour, so hopefully we're going to get them. It's chucking it down with rain, and this is the Micra. Say hello. Yeah, so this is Dad's old car, and this is what I'm travelling in. She's got all the mod cons, so let me show you them. Driver assisted windows. We have a stereo with cassette player. We don't have any cassettes though. A sunroof with shade. But we do have power steering. We have an ashtray, and we also have a future update for the car. A cigarette lighter, so I can plug some USBs in. We do lack cup holders, and that is the big downside of this vehicle. Right, let's go. Let's go. So this is also my first outing with the Z7. Looking forward to it, and I'm giving it a few challenging situations. The only trouble I've got is I've got no filter set for it yet, so I'm going to struggle a bit when it comes to doing other stuff like longer exposures, etc. But yeah, hoping this thing's amazing. We'll see. Wow, it's amazing the difference these harbour defences make. The relative calm of the harbour there, which is like a secondary harbour. And then, yeah, the raging sea. Wow, yeah, this is a bit bleak. It's really windy as anticipated. But I think I found a good angle on the lighthouse. Hopefully I can get the right moment. It's just a case of pop it out, wipe the lens, keep clicking. Nice fast shutter speed. I'm going to enjoy this. Well, I think it's going to be a bit difficult. Oh, just missed a big one. Right, time to get it on. I think from that spot, it's getting slightly obscured in the lighthouse by the bigger waves, so guys just advised me that you can stay in this bit and get protected, so go down there.
My apologies for the bad audio there, but at that point I was advised by another photographer that you can go down to the harbour wall and you can shelter under the arch that's part of the harbour wall. So that's what I did. He told me there's a great angle there on the lighthouse. Yeah, that was the killer mistake for this video.
Have you bailed?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
sure if you're going to be able to hear me, but I think I just turned the pocket. So we went down onto the wall down there. Tried to shelter under the curve as part of the defence. Simple came over and just trenched us. Hopefully I can salvage the footage off the pocket. Hopefully it'll dry out. Right, come back up the top. Bang. It's gnarly one. Basically a little respite area. Oh man, that is some sort of conditions. Oh man, it's like two different worlds. It's amazing how much shelter this harbour has got. Those boats aren't even moving. Yeah, that's Storm Debi. Nice to meet you, girl.